In North America, products for use in explosive atmospheres do not just have to meet the relevant EX standards, they must also meet the applicable general electrical safety standards. This evaluation to the electrical standards must be done by an accredited certification and testing body that is granting certification to your product. Self-declaration is not an option. This may sound simple. You may think that all you need to do is get an accredited certification body, such as QPS Evaluation Services, to include the electrical safety standards in their evaluation. The problem is, it may not be as straightforward as that, and you could potentially drastically impact the time and cost associated with obtaining your certification. It may even require a redesign of your product. To give an example of how you might be impacted, let us use the example of a flame-proof control cabinet that has some electrical components and is covered by an IEC EX test report, and now you need to get certification for the Canadian Zone system. In addition to the applicable EX standards, the control panel must meet the general electrical requirements of the applicable Canadian standard for industrial control equipment. One of the requirements in the standard is that all internal components are to be suitable for the application and comply with the product standard covering that component. An example of a component would be a power supply. It would have to meet all the requirements for information technology equipment. If the components you're using are not certified to the Canadian requirements by an accredited body, then you would have to either get each component evaluated to the applicable standard and bear that additional time and cost, or replace each non-compliant component with a component that is already certified for Canada. The problem is, this latter choice may invalidate some of the evaluation and testing under the IEC EX test report. For example, the temperature code determination would have to be repeated, adding additional time and cost to your project. This example highlights the importance of determining the general electrical safety standards to ensure compliance before submitting the equipment for final approval. If you're interested in getting assistance in determining the applicable requirements, as a partner in product safety, our technical experts can work with you to get you on the right track. To find out more about this service and/or other videos on this topic, visit our website at www.qps.ca.